Tinatawag po lamang natin sa paliparang pandaigdig na Ninoy Aquino sa Maynila, maligayang pagdating. Tayo po ay patungo sa NAIA Terminal 3 para sa inyong maayos at ligtas na pagbaba. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. We are pleased to announce that we have just landed 15 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. On behalf of your flight and crew headed by Captain Cho and First Officer Managua, together with your in-flight cabin crew, namely Team Jasmine and Zell, this is Kay thanking you for making Cebu Pacific Air your airline of choice.